Welcome to My Mustang Garage. On this episode, we're going to be talking about the oil pressure gauge. This is a continuation of the instrument cluster series. This is part 6. Enjoy. First, what you're going to need is an electrical diagram. And I suggest this electrical diagram by Jim Osborne. Test the power. We're going to get a power supply. You can easily use a car battery, but there's unlimited power that plugs into the wall. You can set the voltage, you can set the amps, and you can set the minimum and maximum. I'm going to use a sensor tester for gauges. You're going to need an assortment of test leads. Now we're going to test the oil pressure gauge. The oil pressure gauge is the black with the green stripe, which is from the instrument voltage regulator. It goes through here and it feeds right onto this post right here. The other wire we're looking for is the white with the red stripe, which feeds on to this post right here. Now, as before with the temperature gauge, constant voltage of 5.02 volts on that one. And white wire with the red stripe gets the tester lead that goes to the tester. And you put it on that one. Let me get this turned around and show you this working. Now that we got the oil pressure gauge hooked up to the tester, it's not on. The power's not on. Everything's hooked up the way it should be, as before. Now, we're going to start this in the test position all the way to the top. We're going to turn on the power. It's going to be 5.02 volts. Just simulate the voltage regulator. As you can see, that's on low, which means low oil pressure. We're going to start it here all the way down to L, which is low for the oil side of the tester. And it should read just on the low side of the gauge. Still moving. If I was driving down the road, I wouldn't want that. That's too low. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to M, which is middle. And we're going to put it on there and watch the gauge again. These gauges are sensitive and the tester moves a little slow, but it's made to do that. It's almost to the middle, but it's acceptable for a oil pressure. It's within a normal range, operating range. on the low side, but it's working properly. Now we're going to switch it all the way to H, which is high. And we're going to watch the gauge again. When it was on low, it was on the little tick right here. When it was in medium, it was in the middle. Normal ranges is the small lines between those. Now it's on high. It's almost on the big line on the H side. And we can also test it going back down. So we put it back on medium. And it will start moving. As you can see, it's basically in the middle right now. It's where we want to be. And now we're gonna go to low again. And it's gonna drop it all the way down to low again. Now we know that the oil pressure gauge works.